about the things that we have planned. I won't tell anybody.
Hi everyone, it's me, Copenhagen Curls. I just want to show you my winter regimen for this winter. I will be having my hair in protective styles such as this. Thank you, Fatu. Then I will be doing Real Queen's regimen of the greenhouse effect. You need a water bottle, some conditioner. I use this one here. Bottled water, and then you mix it all together. Spritz it in your hair. Make sure it's not too much so that it's just a little bit damp. And then you take a plastic cap and put it on your head. Now I'm so happy right now because they don't sell these plastic caps in Copenhagen, and I had a friend of mine send these to me, so I'm very, very excited about it. Use a satin scarf. I like this one particularly because you can adjust the straps, tighten it, and it never falls off. And I've been using this satin scarf for months. I love it. Now it's time to sleep. See you in the morning.
I won't fall out of love. I won't fall out of love.